Bangkok's waterways, rich in history and vital to the city's lifeblood, face a growing challenge: pollution. Precious Shipping Public Company Limited, or PSL, is taking bold steps to tackle this, launching an innovative solution to clean the canals before the pollution spreads further. Bangkok's canals, which feed into the Chao Phraya River, have long been an essential part of the city's infrastructure. However, decades of unchecked waste have turned these once pristine waterways into conduits for pollution. The problem starts here in the canals. Waste from Bangkok's urban areas collects in these narrow waterways, eventually flowing into larger bodies of water like the Chao Phraya River and, ultimately, the ocean. It doesn't just harm the environment, it disrupts ecosystems, affects public health, and diminishes the city's natural beauty. This innovative canal cleaning boat represents a transformative step forward in waste management. Garbage collection is 4 times faster than the current rate achieved through manual efforts. Not only does this boat reduce the physical burden on workers, but its efficiency ensures waste is removed faster and more effectively. By dramatically improving waste management processes, it accelerates efforts to clean Bangkok's waterways and restore their natural beauty. PSL's canal cleaning boats are here to address this challenge. PSL, in collaboration with Asian Marine Services and EcoMarine, has developed the first prototype of an HDPE canal cleaning boat. Designed and executed in under a year, this vessel represents a leap in sustainable innovation. It's lightweight, durable, and uniquely designed to clean Bangkok's intricate network of canals. Hey guys, we're here at the Asamar shipyard where Precious Shipping has partnered with EcoMarine and the city of Bangkok to produce Thailand's very first high-density polyethylene canal cleaning boats. So this is the prototype. So all of the crew from these different companies are coming together to learn exactly how this boat works. If it takes off, I think we might see many of these cruising around the canals of Bangkok cleaning up the city. So why don't we have a look and see how it works?
Actually, I think it's just quite simple for the operations. Very easy to handle, not any complex. So anybody can work with these machines. So I think very good for the Bangkok, yeah.
For the diver in the boat, there's the separate port and starboard can turn very narrow channel. It's very easy and collect the garbage. It's really well working.
It's perfect small for the canals.
Yes, for the canal.
Exactly, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Today marks an important milestone in Bangkok's journey toward cleaner waterways. Precious Shipping Public Company Limited officially handed over the first HDPE canal cleaning boat to the city of Bangkok, a symbol of innovation and sustainability. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Alex from the Thaiger, and we're here on the canals of Bangkok for the launch of the first high-density polyethylene canal clearing boats that are going to be clearing the waterways of this city. Now, this is a project that's a joint project between Precious Shipping Company Limited, Asia Marine Shipping, EcoMarine, and the city of Bangkok. Now, this boat is a prototype. It is the first of its kind here in Thailand, so we expect to see many more of these boats hitting the canals in order to clean up the city. Pretty soon we're going to hear from representatives from each of these companies, along with Governor Chat, to see what the future of this project looks like and what kind of impact this will have on the city's waterways. The boat began its first mission in one of Bangkok's canals, showing its ability to collect waste efficiently and navigate narrow, congested waterways with ease. Designed to address urban challenges, this vessel is a prototype for future initiatives aimed at keeping the city's water systems clean. This handover represents more than just a single vessel. It's a commitment to building a fleet of canal cleaning boats that can transform Bangkok's waterways into cleaner, more sustainable spaces for everyone.
For this type of project, yes, for us with Bangkok Metropolitan, but we've been doing something on the CSR front for every year for a long time. But this is one thing that we wanted to do, which fits our corporate goal in terms of cleaning up and green productivity, so that we help to clear the pollution and recycle. And we had a role in designing this ship to use some of the material which would be more environmental friendly.
Well, it's part of our partnership with the community. We'd like to make a positive contribution to the community, and this is one great way to do so, because right now the klongs over here, the garbage that is being collected, it's being collected in a manual way. By automating it, we're making this process a lot more efficient. I realize that what we have today is not perfect, and I think the second one should be better. So I think this is what we need to get to in the future.
By addressing pollution at its source, PSL aims to protect Bangkok's waterways and prevent waste from polluting larger ecosystems. This prototype marks the first in what we hope will be a fleet of sustainable solutions. This boat is not just a tool, it's a symbol of what can be achieved with innovative thinking and a commitment to sustainability. How does this project align with your greater goals for your administration to help clean up the
very
city?
good. Because I think the problem of Bangkok, I always say that when you look at Bangkok, it's like a human body, right? You have arterial system, like big line mega project like Chao Phraya River, and so also you have capillary system like a clong, small drainage, And the problem of Bangkok is not the arterial system. We have good mega project, we have good train line, but the problem lies in like a capillary project like small clong. So I think we need to clean up this small clong that end up it go to the arterial thing like go to Chao Phraya River. So I think this is very good initiative that we focus on the small thing, capillaries in the communities, and if you start from here, you can scale and you can help improve the whole system.
Right. So this is the first. This is a prototype that we're saying launched here today.
Yeah.
What do you think about the future? Is there going to be more of these coming
scaling
out?
is the key thing, but it's good that we have a prototype, right? So we have a prototype, so we know what to improve. I think we have some criteria that we look at the thing and can improve it. And when we improve it, and we can scale. And once you have good prototype, you can scale it very quickly. I think Asima has the capacity to build more boats. We can bring more private sector to get involved. So I think that's a good start. Yeah.
Beautiful. And finally, what are your personal feelings? How do you feel
I
on this
feel
day?
happy and feel proud. I think I'm glad that the private sector get involved. Because the city belongs to everyone, not only for us. And it's good that we go together hand in hand. I think with everyone get involved, I think we can solve any problems.
It's a team effort.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vietnam, Asima, and Nico Marie.
This is more than just a cleanup operation. It's a movement. A movement to restore the natural beauty of Bangkok's waterways and to protect our city for generations to come. This prototype is just the start of an exciting journey towards a cleaner, greener future for Bangkok's waterways, with the hopes that many more such vessels will be commissioned to continue this mission.